हॅलो एव्हरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत वर्ग 12 विषय इंग्रजी क्वेश्चन बँकमधील क्वेश्चन 5B जो 4.2 टू सर विथ लव या नॉवेलवर आधारित जे क्वेश्चन असतात ते क्वेश्चन आपण पाहणार आहोत आणि त्यांची उत्तरंसुद्धा या ठिकाणी आपण सोडवलेली आहेत. Question 5B. Answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. First question. Half yearly report of the Students' Council highlights the conduct of Braithwaite's class justify. And the answer. The representative of Braithwaite's class spoke knowledgeably about their coursework and placed a considerable amount of emphasis on how much they had learned about different people, cultures, customs, and the importance of international and interracial cooperation. Miss Joseph and Denham, both the students of the narrator's class, presided over the meeting. Miss Joseph said that the common theme underlying all their studies was interdependency of mankind. Potter spoke in the field of math. Miss Pegg and Jackson spoke on geography. Miss Dare and Fernman discussed the subject of philosophy, with Fernman stealing the show by exhibiting a model of human skeleton. Miss Dodd reports on history and Joseph on domestic science. Denham creates a stir by speaking on PT and games subject. Then second question. In the questioning session, Denham was expressing few students' feelings. Illustrate. And the answer. Denham's class report was a criticism of PT class. He was of the opinion that PT exercise only twice in a week is of no use. It was a waste of time. He had criticized the school PT schedule in question answer session. He could see no advantage in doing PT. A rather jolly good game was far better. As a trained boxer, he believes that exercise will be beneficial for if done regularly. Apparently, he was voicing the opinions of all the boys, for they cheered him loudly. He argued with the panel of teachers for his point. Third question. Miss Phillips effectively handled the questioning session. Give supporting details. And the answer. Miss Phillips was the most informed out of 3 panel teachers. She answered the questions with honesty and authority. She also skillfully tackle some of the questions posed to the other teachers in order to help them and save them from embarrassment. Denham argued that PT class is a waste of time as it cannot benefit if not done daily. Miss Phillips tactfully defended and said that PT and games had been carefully considered and fitted into the timetable so that each student receive benefit. The school cannot satisfy every student's requirements. She gave a smart reply on Denham's continued dissatisfaction that PT is a physical as well as mental exercise and timetable will prepare you for real world and doing what you are told is a part of training. In this way, she handled even the most argumentative student very well. Fourth question. Write a short note on events which took place on 15th November in Greenslade School. And the answer, the half yearly report of Students' Council was an event entirely arranged and presented by the students themselves on 15th November. Miss Joseph and Denham, the two most senior students, were in charge of the entire program. The meeting began with the speech of the headmaster, Mr. Florian, and it was followed by a short address by Miss Joseph. Following this, one after the other, each class gave a brief report of their progress through their chosen representative. Braithwaite's class has given a very good presentation, and after report, reading panel of teachers chosen for each class to answer students' doubts. Late morning, the headmasters went on the stage and closed the proceedings, expressing his pride in all children and his deep appreciation of his efforts. Fifth question. The extract presents the narrator as a silent observer of the events. Explain. Answer of this question. The narrator cites repeated incidents in the extract that proves him as a silent observer for the events. As the start of the event of Students' Council meet, he silently observed his students, Miss Joseph and Denham, moving through their colleagues. He explains in detail about the foreman's presentation on the stage and also described about Joseph and Denham's position on the stage. This detailed information given by him shows that he was a silent observer, not a participant. He assessed students' presentation quality and also commented about it. And lastly, he explained about the arguments held between Denham and Miss Phillips in detail. Nowhere in the story Braithwaite shown as a part of the event, and thus we can say him a silent observer. Sixth question. Analyzing the change in the students' behavior in the presentation is the central theme. Answer. When Braithwaite accepted the job of teacher at Greenslade School, he considered his students as arrogant, disrespectful, and ill-mannered. Though angry and frustrated at first, Braithwaite eventually learns to be patient and handle them tactfully. At first, students harassed him very badly, but with the help of Braithwaite's handling tactics like taking them to field trips, giving them due respect, behaving patiently with them, etc., students finally accepted Braithwaite as their teacher. During half-year report presentation, narrator's class performed very well. Braithwaite felt terribly pleased and proud to see the confident courtesy with which Denham used the term Miss in addressing each of the senior girls, and the way other representative of his own class became the center of attraction of the event. Then, seventh question. Denham and Miss Joseph played a key role in the presentation of the half-yearly report of Students' Council? The answer: Miss Joseph and Denham both were important officials for the function of half-yearly report of Students' Council. Both addressed the audience with confidence. They preceded the meeting after principal give a start to the program. Denham argued strongly in question answer session of the event and expressed the feelings of other students in his argument with the panel. Joseph begins the highest class proceedings by clarifying the common theme of their studies. She also spoke on domestic science very confidently. Eighth question: the senior students presented their class report more confidently than the junior students. Give reasons. And the answer: the senior students presented their class report more confidently than junior students because most of the junior students were shy. They were 12-year-old students and had joined the school previous summer only. They were frightened to present in front of the entire school. The junior students had been newly introduced difficulties of presenting themselves or seeking information for their own self. So, their report was rather short, while the senior students definitely had a good ability and experience to present themselves before the audience. Ninth question: Furman was innovative and dramatic in his presentation. Discuss in brief. And the answer: Furman is clear, precise, and dramatic. He keeps the audience spellbound by his speech. He discussed the subject of physiology with Miss Dare. As usual, Furman had a trump card up his sleeve. When called, he brings a hanging human skeleton on the stage. When this arrangement had been set up, there was the skeleton hanging from a hook screwed into the top of its skull, gently revolving at the end of a cord. This brought some comic relief and the students laughed uproariously. He asked questions to students like observing the skeleton, whether they can judge that skeleton is Chinese or French or German or brown or white or mixture of both. Finally, class had conducted that basically all people were the same. The timings might be different, but the foundations were all laid out according to the same blueprint. 10th question: the stage has a great impact on the presentations of the students. Justify this statement. And the answer: the stage helps the student to sharpen their public speaking skills. It helps them to speak confidently in front of the audience. Students get an opportunity to express themselves and develop critical thinking skills. These kind of skills help them in many aspects of their practical life. They can overcome their fear and anxiety with presenting themselves on the stage. Here we have completed question 5B in question bank. If you want to watch the similar videos, do subscribe our channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, share among your friends, and if you have any information any comment, any reply, write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.